What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Kid Goku. Okay, so this is another never seen video and this time we are going to draw Kid Goku from Dragon Ball. I'm gonna make this chubby kid into a Super Saiyan and I'm gonna draw it in the same style of Dragon Ball. So without further ado, let's get to it. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square to keep the right proportions, and then I'm simply gonna draw the shape of the face. I'll mark the center of his face by crossing it, and after that I'm gonna add all the details. Once I'm done with it, I don't want to see Goku as a bald kid, so we'll add some hair, a Super Saiyan hair to be more exact. And as you can see, I'm not adding too much detail, trying to maintain that Dragon Ball look. Next step will be drawing his body, and as you can see, I first start by drawing the shape of the torso, the shape of the legs, and only then I'm adding all the details. That basically makes the drawing process much more easier and accurate. As you can see, I'm doing the same process for the fist. I marked the placement of the fingers, the knuckles, and only then I'm adding all the details. Don't worry, I didn't forget about his tail. And just like the referenced picture from before, from the start, I'm gonna rip his gi symbol. We'll add some wounds to his body, you know, to make him look like he earned that Super Saiyan stature. Once I'm done with the sketching, I'm gonna use some inking pens. Basically, I'm gonna hold the pen closer to the tip with a very firm grip, and I'm just gonna go all over the lines, either by pushing lines or pulling lines. And what I recommend you to do is rotate the page so you can have your natural hand movement. And once we are done, we can step into the coloring process. So as you can see, I'm using Copic markers. Those are alcohol based markers, which means they can blend very well. Usually I use 3 tones of the same color for each object. I'm starting from the brightest tone, going to the mid tone, and then I'm using the darkest tone. And I'm blending all of them together to get a very smooth looking transition. And of course, the most important tip I can give you about coloring is you need to color in the direction of the shape to make the shape look 3D. You don't want it to look flat. And now I'm gonna color the tail with Super Saiyan colors. Now I know in GT they had episodes where they did color his tail with the Super Saiyan colors, but on some episodes they didn't color it. That's because they used different studios and they probably had some confusion about it. But I'm gonna go with the Super Saiyan tail because I think it's the most obvious one and it looks good. That being said, I know that I'm gonna get comments like, "Bro, you shouldn't have colored his tail." That's always the same story, but if you see those comments, give them a thumbs down. Not that a thumbs down actually do something, but okay. Next is the skin tones, and again I'm using 3 different tones for that. And a quick tip, if you want to get a very nice highlight, you should leave a blank area, that way you get a nice glow. And to finish up, we'll color his cute chubby face, giving him them green eyes. And to finish up this drawing, all we need to do is add some blood. For that I'm gonna use some color pencils and I'm gonna use the markers as well. And we are done, everybody. So this is how you draw Kid Goku as a Super Saiyan. Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Personally, I think it looks pretty cool. That Super Saiyan look fits him very well. And if you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial for this drawing, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if we'll get 3,000 likes, I'm gonna make it happen. Also, I want to let you know that I'm open for commissions again, so if you want a commission, email me for details. The mail is in the description box. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I appreciate you all. Keep being awesome, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.